So we're looking at a topic called stock valuation. All right.
Did we finish answering the previous questions?
Or maybe we can go back first to the previous question. Is that is what you're suggesting? Okay.
Yes, maybe we finish and then we can start this one.
All right. So no problem. So I'm sure we were looking at this question here. All right. The question that says Dangote Limited is considering a capital investment. Okay. So the capital investment where we have those cash flows. Okay. So the first cash flow with the investment of 560,000. Okay. So what we are simply saying is that for Dangote, we had the year 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then
We calculated the payback period already.
so the cash flow. So let's use the financial tables. Let's calculate the NPV1 first of all. Let's move on because we go back to the question. Draw the cash flow. Then the discount factor. And then here we have the present values. So the first one was 560,000. Then 170,000. 180,000. 200,000. 250,000. And 160,000. Okay, so this was in red. So now we need to, as we go to the question, okay, as we go to the question here, so Dangote is considering, okay, considering a capital investment project costing 560,000. The project will generate future cash inflows or cash flows as follows. After that outlay, 170, 180, 200, 250, 160. The cost of capital is at 15%. Advise management of Dangote Limited approximately on whether to undertake the project using internal rate of return. Okay, so using what? The internal rate of return. All right, so we need to find the internal rate of return. We need to find the two NPVs. Okay, so our internal rate of return is equal to L1, which is rate 1, plus NPV1 over NPV1 minus NPV2, then B2 minus A1. Okay, so this is what goes on here. So this is in one bracket. So let us find NPV1 using the rate of 15%. So meaning that our A1 is 15%. So meaning you find the present value interest factor, 1 plus R to the power negative n. So present value interest factor will be equal to 1 plus 0.15 to the power negative n. So it will simply be 1.15 to the power negative n. So let us start solving quickly. So you can use the financial tables instead, but use a calculator to find for the first year is 1. Okay, so we can go to okay. Okay, we can find the, you can use the financial tables so that we get the what we need to do. Okay, so for the first one, use a calculator, just say 1.15 to the power negative 0. You give me the, so here it's 1. Then the other one, find the factor, you use it for year 1, 1.15 to the power negative 1, find for me. 1.15 to the power negative 2 for year 2. Go for 4 decimal places, all right? The power negative 3, as we are looking for the financial tables so that I can give you the figures. Just look for financial tables. Into year 5, 1.15 to the power negative 5. Do you have a calculator with you?
Yes, I have. Did you say 3 decimal places?
Go for 4 decimal places. I'm trying
Or
to,
4?
yes, I'm trying to look for
Okay.
the tables as you are computing so that we verify. Let me look for the tables, financial tables. All right. But compute, you can compute it.
All right.
I'll ask for the answers. Let me look for financial tables. Okay, so 0.8696.
Yes.
8696. Right? So when you multiply this one for the first one, you still have
Yes.
560,000. Then give me the other factor for the second year.
For the second year, 0.7561.
2.7561. The other one,
0.6575.
2.6575. The other one,
0.5718.
2.5718. Then the other one,
0.4972.
2.4972. So start multiplying to give me the last column now. So start multiplying this one to give us the last one. Multiply this one to give us the other one. You have these ones there. So you can multiply to give,
Yes.
to give us the other one. So this one will give us what? So
The first one there, 147.
One what?
147,832.
147,832. Then the other one?
The second one is 136,098.
136. 018
098.
098.
Yes.
Okay, 098. Then continue the other one.
The third one is 131,500.
131. Okay, 131,500. Then
Yes.
the other one.
The fourth one is 142,950.
142,950. Then the other one.
The last one is 79,552.
29,552. So our NPV is actually going to give us, you add those ones and then remove the investment, right?
Yes.
So 147,832.
I'm finding 77,932.
One 17932, correct. 27932. So let us find the other NPV too, using, now this time around, let's use the B2 equals to, just even use 30, there's no problem. Use from the table, you can use the largest possible. Just that unfortunately, you can't locate the tables. So it will be for year 1.3, okay? Because this one we found is 77.9. Yeah, so let's use a very high rate so that we get a negative. Because this 77 is too big, you get the point. For it to become a negative, use a very large rate. You get what I mean, eh?
Yes.
So use the 1.3 to the power negative 1, the 1.3 to the power negative 2, 1.3 to the power negative 3, 1.3 to the power negative 4, then 1.3 to the power negative 5. Start getting the values. If you have a calculator, then you tell me. So you to be here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then you go for cash flow, discount factor, and the present values. So 560,000, 170, 180, 200, 250, 160. The discount factor for the first one is always 1. So it will be
0.8849.
0.8849. You you multiply straight away.
Yes.
Multiply by the 170. What are we getting? 150. 433. Find for me the rates for the other ones. 0.7.
0.787831.
Okay, give me the other one, the discount factor for the other one.
0.6931.
0.6931.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Then the fourth one is 0.6133.
0.61. 0.61. 33.
6133.
6133. Like this one. Is it the first
Yes,
one?
6133.
Okay, 6133.
The fourth one,
Yeah,
yes, 6133.
that's the fourth one.
Then the last one, 0.5428.
Okay. So 0.5428.
Yes.
How come? How come this one was 0.49, the fifth one? Also, it's not correct. Why are these figures? These figures are supposed to be very
Which one?
small. These figures are supposed to be very, very small. It was 1.3, 1.3, 1.3, 1.3 to the power negative 5. Okay, we just start from here.
Wait, did you say 1.13? Oh,
It was 1.3, madam. So let's
oh no,
revise.
no. I think I was using the wrong. Oh, what? Oh,
It was
I was using 1.13. I made a mistake.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, we need to.
Okay, so I've given you 3 minutes to start. Use 1.3, not 1.13, madam. 1.3.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Okay. What figures are you gotten now? You feel this one will be how much?
The first one is 0.7692.
0.7692. So multiply that one straight away. 7692. So multiply that one straight away by 170,000. To give us what? 130,764, not so. Give me the other factor for the second one. Okay, give me the other factor for the second one. The second factor, what are we getting? Give me the factor.
Hello.
Yes, I can get. Give me the factor for the second one. The second factor is what?
For the second one is 0.5917.
0.5197. Is that so?
5917.
5917. 5917. Give me the other one.
5917.
Come again.
And then the third one is 0.4552.
0.4552. And so give me the other one.
Yes. 0.3501.
0.3501. So sort out the last one for me.
The last one is 0.2693.
Okay, so multiply the same last one by 160,000. Give me the answer.
$43,088.
Okay, 43,088. Okay, so
Zero eight eight.
there. 42,088. So do this other one now.
43,088.
43,088. The same one which I've written. You've seen it?
Yes, yes.
Then the other one will give us what?
87525.
87525. So add for me here to get the NPV. Add those ones. So you can quickly add them and subtract so that we get the NPV. So quickly add and subtract that one. What are we getting as NPV? The NPV is giving us what?
Just a moment, I'm adding. I'm finding 192,117.
Okay, 106,506 plus 91,040 plus 87525 plus 43,088. No, the answer should be negative.
Yes, isn't it in negative? The 91.
No, it is giving me 101,077. Quickly add if you can. I'm adding from here 137.64.
43. Oh. Okay.
So confirm. Okay, so what is our internal rate of return?
Yeah, I found the same 101,777.
Okay, so negative. So the first one is the 77,932. So 77,932 over 77,932 minus 101,077 on 0.3 minus 0.15. So even somebody got maybe 20%, if a 20% was able to give a negative, you can go ahead. Okay. So 77,932 over the positive. So those ones are. Okay, what are we getting? 77,932 plus 101,077. Let's see, 179,009 by 0.15. Okay, so meaning 77,932 divided by 179,009 and by 0.15. Okay, so here it's giving us internal rate of return 0.15 plus 0.065. It's giving us 1.5%. It's okay, so it's giving us 0.215 or 21.5%. So accept the project. Accept project
Sorry.
if internal rate of return is greater than cost of capital. Okay. I don't know if you have understood.
Just on this page here, where when you close this bracket, there's 0.3 minus. Isn't that minus? It's minus.
Yes, it's 0.3 minus. This one?
Minus 0.15.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
0.3 minus 0.15. It will give us 0.15.
To give us 0.15.
Which is this one?
Oh, okay. Yes.
So you use Bodmer's. This guy should be the last guy to be added. So you sort out these ones here. Okay, sort out these ones here. Okay. So sort out these ones. Okay, so it's giving me this one.
Oh, okay. Okay, yes, I've gotten to that point.
So you accept the project when it is greater than 0. And then the profitability index, PI, is equal to sum of present values. That's going to get perfect. Or divide by initial investment. Initial what? Investment. Okay. In a project. Okay. So profitability index is equal to sum of present values. So you add the sum of present values, the sum of these values here. The initial one, for initial table, so the sum of these values, these ones, okay, they need divide by the initial investment in the project. That's why you get the PI. All right, then, so you click on the same link, okay, so that we can continue. I introduce you the other topic, even if we will not finish it, so I'll just introduce it. So can you click on the same link so that I finish up on the profitability index, just in case they ask you to get to find.
Okay.
All right. Okay.